Hey Sergio and Claudia, thanks for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Claudia. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Christian Brothers Roofing. If you type in roofing contractor Kansas City, these guys show up right at the top. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out that there's a lot of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, Devin, I like you. I just don't have time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, great job on your website. I don't know if you designed this yourself or if you paid somebody to do it for you, but it's a great looking website. It's very clean. It's very simple. It's not a lot of clutter going on. Really nice on the eyes. A lot of trust building badges here. Very unique logo. It's a great looking website. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. If I copy all of your content, I paste in this keyword or this word counter here, you can see you have 771 words of content on your homepage. So that's a great start. If we go look at Christian Brothers, you can see these guys have 977. So even though they are beating you, by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're not only going to look like an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to blow them out of the water, and you're also going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a couple of those for you here. For example, like for this video, I'm using roofing contractor Kansas City. 150 people search that into Google every single month. Or even roofing companies Kansas City. 400 people search that every month. So if you were number 1 just in front of those 2 keywords, you would be number 1 in front of 550 people every single month who wanted to purchase roofing in Kansas City. That would completely change your life, right? So if I go and I search your page, though, you can see you don't have that keyword anywhere on your page. Or let's do this one. You can see you don't have that anywhere on your page, and we can do that with any of these. And it looks like a lot of them you just don't have the keywords on your page. So that's fine. Most people don't know to do this, but I would definitely recommend to put them inside of your content. And then also make sure you save your images as keywords too. Like, it's good that this is your logo, but you could save this as roofing contractors Kansas City, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. And you can just do that, for different images here. Change this one to roofers Kansas City. So that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. Not all backlinks are created equal. You're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to pay for it. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. It says you have 40 websites linking to you. So great job. You're already doing some work on this. Christian Brothers has 570 websites linking to them. They've already done all the hard work for you. If these 570 websites are good enough to rank Christian Brothers, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. I would go one by one to each of these websites and put a link on each website back to my page the same way they did. A lot of times it's really easy too, like expertise, yellow pages, super pages. You click get listed or sign up or join, create a free profile, put a link in your profile back to your website, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really simple. It just takes some time. But once you copy their backlinks and you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like Angie, BBB, Yelp, GAF, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Junior and Co. Roofing Contractors was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. So if JR and Co. was in 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, Sergio and Claudia. I hope you all found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content. Feel free to pause this video too and take these so you don't have to go onto any, pay for any software. You can just take these directly from here. Then you want to take the websites that are linking to Christian Brothers and get them linking back to yourself, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than JR and Co. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now you're probably asking, what do I do now? you have two options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what many of your competitors are doing. The sooner you get started on this, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and let you know I'd give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking on the phone earlier, Claudia. Great meeting you, Sergio. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys have an awesome day and week. See ya.